Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing several purchases. This is a collective haul from Khaite, Hermès and other brands. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I will start with Khaite, and I'm so excited to unbox this top. I literally hunted for it. The first time I saw it probably like a year or even more ago, and I fell in love with it, but then I wasn't sure if it's gonna suit me. Of course it got sold out and I was hunting for it for a while. That's how the top looks on the website, and I'll also show to you how it looks on me. I'm obsessed with this style. It's so elegant and so unique. This is how it looks on me. Again, I usually wear size extra small and the top is in a size small. I think it looks just nice. I love it. Actually, I'm not sure if I even need to alter it. I usually alter most of my clothes. Initially, I got it in my size in extra small, but then I changed it to small. I feel like it feels a bit better. The extra small fit nice, but it didn't look that flat at the front area. It's a bit more flattering. This is literally how it looked. It was like bulging out a bit. I'm not a fan of such look. I'm very particular. I would say that I'm a bit pedantic about things like that. And also our bodies tend to expand a bit towards the evening, so imagine how it would look. So I would definitely say that the bigger size is a lot more flattering. I really love it. It's just so my style. And I'm currently so obsessed with Khaite's designs. They're just so cool, so different. The quality is superb. I also love the color of this top. It's so versatile. I can tuck it in or wear it out. I just love both looks. I would also love to get it in a black, but I think it's gonna be very hard to get it. I will definitely try to look for it. This style is so timeless and classic. I also love the beige shade of it. I really hope Khaite will repeat this design. It's so beautiful and the quality is really good. I would definitely collect it in many colors. Moving on to another item from the same brand. I wanted to get it since I purchased the first item. I have recently unboxed a similar cardigan in a different color and I'm just so in love with it, and I knew that I would need to get it in a white. I love Khaite's original packaging, it's quite nice. I decided to go for a size down and I got it in a different color. I wanted to see if extra small is a better size for me. And the previous one was in a size extra small. And by the way, guys, I'll show to you how both sizes look on me. I'm also curious to see what you think about it and also if you can see a big difference. So this is the size extra small. I have to say the sleeves for both of this are quite long. I mean, it's a design, it's meant to be this way. So I have to roll it up sometimes. But this is how it looks, and you can see if I roll up the sleeve and don't, you can see the big difference. And here it is in a size extra small. So the sleeves are still long, but a bit shorter. By the way, I just love the quality of this sweater. The fabric is so nice and it's so soft and it's quite warm as well, but not too bad. It's just perfect for aircon places. So I can also roll up the sleeves on this one. Sometimes I do it, it depends with what I style it. But yeah, this is how it looks. The extra small cardigan is a bit shorter and it's a bit tighter, but I like it. I'm actually considering getting the other sweater in the barley color in double extra small size. I know that I'll be able to wear them both, and these are so timeless and classic. What do you guys think? Can you see any difference at all? And which fit do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always curious to see what you're going to say. I also purchased this dress in the extra small size, and it's the first time I'm trying this brand. I have to say I do like this blazer dress. It's pretty cute, but I would definitely need to alter the sleeves, and I might also alter the waist to make it a bit more figure hugging. I do like this brand. I might get more clothes from it in the future. Next up is another blazer dress, but in a different style. I love this one. Initially, I ordered it in extra small, but I had to send it back. I feel like double extra small looks a lot better. Of course, I would still have to alter it as usual, but I like the oversized look. It's pretty cool and different, and I love the belt of it. It's very flattering. I ordered some clothes from it before, and I would say that it always runs a bit bigger, so I always have to size down. Moving on to Hermès, and I'm so excited to unbox this. I just love all of these items, and I will start from the Twilly, and this one is so cute. I saw it in a store by accident. It has dogs and it's so adorable. I just had to have it. I love the color combination. It's so beautiful. Next up is a super cute accessory that I managed to score. This one is so adorable and I just love the color combination. I know it's going to match my bag perfectly, and I have a little helper who is super interested in what I'm opening. I'm so glad that my lovely essay had it in the perfect colors. I was after a small contrast and it's a perfect one for sure. It's so light and the leather is so soft. I love it. It's so adorable. I will also show to you how it looks on my back. I'm in love with it and I know that I'll be wearing it quite often. Super cute. I'm just so obsessed with Hermès bag charms. They are the best. Moving on to my most favorite casual shoes from Hermès. They are so cute. And I have been wearing my gold ones non-stop. I knew that I would have to add it in the black as well. They go with absolutely everything. I find them very comfortable to wear. Actually, before I watched some reviews where people were saying that they are actually quite stiff or they are very wide. I did not find them very wide at all. I tend to walk a lot, about 10,000 steps a day, and I can definitely do it in these shoes. It probably takes me to stretch it for maybe half an hour at home, but after that I just feel so comfortable in this. Next up is another accessory, and I have to say I'm obsessed with this color lately, and I just love how it matches my cardigan. It's so cute and I just love the gold on each hoop. It's so stunning. I just love Kelly belts. They are so elegant, so light, so comfortable to wear, and they look amazing with everything, with dresses, with skirts, with shorts, with jeans, with trousers. I love them. I have two belts in gold and black and I have been wearing them non-stop. I also picked up some things for my mom. I bought this Twilly perfume. I'm in love with it. I always get a lots of compliments about it, and also my mom loves it. I have two bottles and I thought I would get one for her as well. I also got some lipsticks for her in a natural shade. And I also managed to get these shoes in my size. I love this color. I have lots of outfits I can wear this with. I would have to add some anti-slips to the bottoms of this. I have to say they are a bit slippery. I always add it for all of my slippery shoes. It's not always possible to get this in all natural colors because they're quite popular and the sizes go quite fast. And also I would love to add this in a tube color. I'm so obsessed with it. I tried this on in Oasis and I love it. And of course they look absolutely beautiful in this shade. This combination is so beautiful as well and so versatile. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!